Hello my dear children, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Welcome again in this video. In previous video we talked about numbers and countable and uncountable nouns. Today we are going to study about a new topic, that is gender. To know about it, see on the screen. The first is masculine gender. The word noun or pronoun which refers to male person or animal is said to be of masculine gender, as boy, man, sir, brother, son, hero, lion, ox, dog, tiger, etc. Now see the examples. Raman has 2 sons. The tiger lives in the forest. Mohan passed in first division. His work was to distribute food. In these sentences, the words Raman, sons, tiger, Mohan, all nouns indicate male person or animal. Similarly, the word his indicate male person. So, these words are said to be of masculine gender. The next is feminine gender. The word noun or pronoun that refers to female person or animal is said to be of feminine gender, as girl, woman, madam, sister, daughter, heroine, lioness, cow, witch, tigress, etc. Now see the examples. The name of the girl is Madhu. The lioness ran after the cow. Akansha is reading a book. Her mother is a principal. In these sentences, the word girl, Madhu, lioness, cow and mother, all nouns indicate female person or animal. Similarly, the word Akansha and her mother indicate female persons. So these words are said to be of feminine gender. Hopefully, you understood the masculine and feminine gender. It is very important to know the different genders. Sometimes we call masculine gender as male gender and feminine gender as female gender. Now, let's move to an exercise to know more about genders. In this exercise, you have to write the feminine gender of the given words. For example, the feminine gender of boy is girl and feminine gender of father is mother. In this way, you have to write the feminine nouns of the given words in the exercise. The exercise is here on screen. Now let's move to solve it. The feminine noun buck is do, king, queen, gentleman, lady, fox, vixen, lion, lioness, stallion, mare, sir, madam, bull, cow, son, daughter. After solving this exercise, we know how to change the masculine gender in feminine gender. आपने आज तक मेल और फीमेल के बारे में ही सुना होगा, बट क्या आप जानते हैं कि जेंडर के 2 और टाइप्स भी होते हैं? अगर आप इनके बारे में नहीं जानते तो चलिए मैं आपको बताती हूँ. The next gender is common gender. The word noun that refers to both male or female is said to be of common gender, as engineer, doctor, teacher, patient, child, student, crowd, etc. See the examples. My cook is preparing the food. The teacher is teaching in the class. His friend is very intelligent. My parents are very loving and caring. Students, in sentences में cook मेल फीमेल दोनों हो सकता है. टीचर मेल भी होता है, फीमेल भी होता है. फ्रेंड्स मेल फीमेल दोनों हो सकते हैं. पेरेंट्स मेल फीमेल दोनों होते हैं. सो कॉमन जेंडर में मेल फीमेल दोनों ही आते हैं. द नेक्स्ट इज न्यूटर जेंडर. द वर्ड नाउन दैट रिफर्स टू लाइफलेस नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स इज सेड टू बी ऑफ न्यूटर जेंडर. जिन ऑब्जेक्ट्स में लाइफ नहीं होती, नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स होती हैं, उन्हें हम न्यूटर जेंडर कहते हैं. एज नाइफ, टेबल, बॉक्स, बटर, चेयर, फैन, वॉच, बैग, etc. For example, the kit is in the bag. Kanchan was playing with the ball. Ayush cut the bread with knife. The box is made of wood. In these sentences, the words kit, bag, bread, knife, doll and box all nouns are lifeless objects. So these words are said to be of neuter gender. Hopefully, you understood all the 4 kinds of gender. Now, I am going to show you a small table of different genders. See the table carefully. The first is of masculine gender. The second one is of feminine gender. The third is of common gender. And the fourth and the last is neuter gender. You would have understood all the kinds of gender after seeing this gender table. मुझे लगता है कि आज के लिए इतना ही कंटेंट काफी है. बाकी की चीजें हम अगले वीडियो में पढ़ेंगे. What you learned in today's video and how much you understood about gender. To know about it, let's move to practice time. The question is, circle the feminine nouns and underline the masculine nouns. In this exercise, you have to circle the feminine noun and you have to underline the masculine noun. My dear students, this is all for today. In next video, we will learn something new. So, keep on watching and enjoying videos. Till then, thank you. Bye bye. Take care.